Hey there, Robert Moody with MarineMax here at the Dallas Yacht Center on Lake Louisville. We're going to do a quick little walkthrough. We just got this boat in this week. This is a 2020 Azimut 45 Atlantis. They call it the 45A. Some new things about it. One is they use an IPS, Penta IPS forward-facing drives on it. So really cool, great performance with this. But also the joystick maneuvering on this is amazing. Just like the 43 Atlantis, you can open up a tender garage here. For us here in North Texas, we're going to put all our toys in there. You can put a two-person inflatable in there if you want to do that. Great, huge, big swim platform. I like all the European boats. They got easy access stairs on both sides going up to the bow. So easy to move around this boat. And I kind of think of this boat, it's like a sport boat, right? Because I got a permanent sun lounge right here in the back. They redesigned it and you got a permanent headrest there, and on the inside I got still wraparound seating, so somebody can be seated in the cockpit, somebody can be laying back here on the sun lounge. Up on the bow there's a massive sun pad up on the bow, and again it's easy to get everywhere around this cockpit back on the swim platform. This is a hydraulic swim platform, so it goes up and down, so you can sit in the water and float and play and get wet that way. Let me show you some cool things in the cockpit. Again, you see the stairs coming up, and how easy. Big handrails all the way up, so it's safe for people to walk up to the bow. A lot of room in here. They really like to hide everything and keep everything clean. They don't want you looking at appliances at all. They do that down in the galley. They do it out here in the cockpit. So here's what they do. One nice big pretty lid. It's going to cover up the sink and the Kenya grill. We're going to hide the ice maker, but you got an ice maker on board. And their style of a cockpit refrigerator, they went ahead and did this chiller box. So this is insulated. You got a freezer plate in there. You can throw bags of ice in there and keep it cold. You can throw food in there and keep it cold. Drinks in there, and it's got a drain too. So how easy and convenient is that to clean it up instead of leaving something in the refrigerator and getting nasty and leaking and water everywhere. So I like how they do this. Again, the Italians like the nice clean look and style. Same thing here in the cockpit. Man, I got a lot of room. Back here in the back, you can fit 8, 12 people back here pretty comfortable. Really pretty table with a nice inlay in it. If it's time to eat, you can fold it out and make it bigger. Now there's place, to put 6 or 8 plates and drinks, and everybody can enjoy it. There is a cockpit AC and heat system in the cockpit to help cool you off. This is a great little lounge over here. There's actually headroom once you go down below into the mid-stateroom, but great place to hang out and lounge while the driver's up here moving around the lake, taking you to your favorite spot. They redid the dash, which now it's like a glass dash, and it's really cool looking. I got the twin Garmin screens on there. We have radar on this boat. I got KVH on this boat. This boat has, like I said, IPS on it. An option with a Penta IPS is you can get dynamic positioning system on here, so it's kind of like a skyhook on other brands, but it's going to hold you in that one spot. I also have auto heading on it. I also ordered this one with a little bow thruster just to give the bow a bump if you didn't want to use the engines and the props to spin it around. We also ordered this boat with a Seakeeper on it, so if it is rough, you're anchored out and all these surf boats are driving by and rocking your boat, you can activate the Seakeeper. And boy, that's just going to lock in your boat and keep it nice and flat. When you're anchored out or when you're underway, at low speeds, it'll keep your boat nice and level too. Got some AC vents here, AC vent down below here. Huge sky hatch. You've seen these before. Hit a button, open it up, but this thing is massive. So again, if you like the sun, you come out to the lake to be outside, between the back sun pad, the huge forward sun pad, you can open up this sky roof on it. Boy, you're outside. You got all the outside you want. Let's go look down below. First thing you're going to notice when you come down below, it's the galley. Again, you want to keep it all nice and clean looking, right? So little things like, let's hide the refrigerator behind the store. I got storage down below. That's a freezer and refrigerator, so oversized refrigerator and freezer. We got that. We got electric Kenya stove here. Got the microwave. We ordered this boat with a lot of options, so it's pretty much ready to use. We even got the flatware. It's already on the boat. Also got plates, glasses, mugs, everything you need to get rock and rolling. Got a sink, some more storage there. And here's another option you can get on the boat. How about a washer and dryer? You need to wash some towels, your favorite shorts, your shirt for the evening, bathing suits. Take it all right here inside the boat. Over here we have the salon seating right now. I got the table down with the filler on it, so this could be a third stateroom if you want. If not, store away that cushion, lift up the table. You got a great private dining down here for your family. More storage up above these cabinets. Big windows with blinds, so you can close it up and have privacy if you want. Let's move forward to the master. On our way up there, you're going to see I do have a Samsung TV for the salon area. They got the master forward here, so big windows on the side, an island bed. So boy, that's easy for anybody to get on and off in the middle of the night. Great closets. There's 3 closet doors, double doors on one side, a single door on the other. Storage compartments up above the windows. Again, so plenty of room to keep all your stuff. And since this is the master, you have a private en-suite head with a separate shower. So the forward one is the master's head and shower. So this is going to be your day head. So definitely a new style sink in there. It's easier to keep clean. Great storage. Underneath that black inside the shower, there's the toilets underneath there. So they're using it as a combo room between a separate shower and the toilet. Nice use of space there. So let's move on back. I really like what they did back here. 3 beds. 3 beds back in the back. So also you can slide these 2 together if you want one big bed, and some people may use this as their master bed. Or you can divide it out to the sides, big windows on the side. There's a 3rd bed over here. So great if you have guests or a lot of kids, or their kids and their friends. There's a TV back here. We got massive closets back here, storage everywhere. Great storage underneath this bed. A great use of space. Again, they got their own TV system up here. So again, LG and Samsung TVs that we're ordering the boats in, all kind of US appliance on them to make it easier. If you want to come see this boat or have more questions about this boat, please give us a call or come by and see us. Again, my name is Robert Moody with MarineMax at Dallas Yacht Center. We're located here at Lake Louisville on Pier 121. Thank you.